Hi, I'm Carissa, founder of the Spirit of Inquiry Tutoring. In today's vlog, we're going to learn about how to become a pro at reading your science textbook. In the age of virtual learning, students are not getting enough practice reading science textbooks. As a result, their comprehension of difficult science concepts is extremely limited. Very few teachers actually teach students how to read their science textbooks. Instead, they teach the students to read and learn the PowerPoint or watch tutorial videos on concepts they are required to know. Not teaching students how to read science from a textbook is setting them up to not be successful in science at the college level and beyond. Published science articles are densely packed with sophisticated language, data, graphs, illustrations, etc. So if a student cannot properly read a textbook, it will not be possible for them to ever successfully do science or write science articles that can advance our society and understanding of the world. There are easy to follow step-by-step strategies to increase your reading comprehension of science. I teach these strategies to my AP and Biology Olympiad students. They are outlined below. So, do not try to read the chapter from beginning to end. Do focus on the bolded vocab words in the chapter. Read the vocab word and its definition only. Write the vocab word in your own words. Do not copy from the textbook word for word. Use the scientific root words handout and identify the prefixes and suffixes in your vocab words and underline them. Learn the meanings of these roots. These roots will be seen over and over in science language. Once all the vocab is completed, look at the illustrations, graphs, and data in the chapter and their captions. If the illustration is depicting a process, view this process from beginning to end and read the caption that explains the process. In the caption and illustration, look for vocab words. Make connections between the vocab word definitions, captions, and illustrations. This introduces the processes and concepts in a more digestible way, rather than getting bogged down with a series of long, complicated paragraphs written in the textbook. Do read the chapter from beginning to end and take breaks when you get tired of reading. Do make connections between the text you are reading and any PowerPoints your teacher has for that reading. The PowerPoints act as an outline of the reading if done well by your teacher. Take reading notes on the PowerPoint slides printed out. Please share this vlog post with any students that are struggling with reading their science textbook. I'm Carissa, founder of Spirit of Inquiry Tutoring.